Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Trading 212 versus Degiro, where we will explore the key differences between these two popular online trading platforms. As a beginner or experienced trader, choosing the right platform is crucial for your success in the financial markets. First, let's start with Trading 212, a UK-based broker that offers commission-free trading on a wide range of assets, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Trading 212 is known for its user-friendly interface and mobile app, making it easy to trade on the go. The platform also offers a demo account, which is ideal for beginners who want to practice trading without risking real money. On the other hand, we have Degiro, a European broker that offers low-cost trading on a vast array of assets, including stocks, options, and futures. Degiro is known for its transparent pricing and low fees, making it a popular choice among traders who want to minimize their costs. The platform also offers a web-based trading platform and mobile app, allowing traders to access their accounts from anywhere. Now, let's compare the two platforms in terms of fees and commissions. Trading 212 offers commission-free trading on most assets, while Degiro charges a small commission on each trade. However, Degiro's fees are generally lower than those of traditional brokers, making it a cost-effective option for traders. In terms of regulation, both Trading 212 and Degiro are regulated by reputable authorities, including the Financial Conduct Authority and the Dutch Authority for the Financial Markets. This ensures that traders' funds are protected and that the platforms operate in a transparent and fair manner. When it comes to account types, Trading 212 offers a single account type, while Degiro offers multiple account types, including a basic, core, and active account. The basic account is ideal for beginners, while the core and active accounts offer more advanced features and lower fees. In conclusion, the choice between Trading 212 and Degiro depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a user-friendly platform with commission-free trading, Trading 212 may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a low-cost platform with a wide range of assets and transparent pricing, Degiro may be the better option. Ultimately, it's essential to do your research and compare the features and fees of both platforms before making a decision.